How to reset Android Auto on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device and click on Bluetooth and device connection. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Android Auto at the bottom. After that, in here, simply click on Previously Connected Devices or Vehicles. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Forget All Vehicles. Press on OK. After that, one thing what you need to do is go back to the main settings page and click on Apps and Notifications. In Apps and Notifications, click on See All Apps. And then search for Android Auto. Click on it. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Cache at the top, and then you're good to go. This is how to reset Android Auto on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.